Guys, I'm at this airport right now, currently against all odds. I was bedbound for over 24 hours the past 2 days, and I thought that I was not going to make this flight. I canceled every single other plan that I had this weekend in order to get on this flight. And the reason being is because I'm about to go to Scotland. And not only have I never been to Scotland, but I'm about to go to Scotland to see the love of my life. My Bookie, my freshman year roommate, Graciella. If you remember her from my Northern Spain vlog, my Albania vlog, she is my other half, my ride or die, and I miss her so much, and it has almost been a year since I have seen her. So here I am, bedbound 36 hours, made my way to the airport, and I'm actually feeling great. Okay, so traveling heals. Getting here was insane because Roman transport is actually hell on earth. I wish I was kidding. And I got food, which was like the most solid food I've had in the past 48 hours. Which is probably not good that it was airport food. I'm hyped to be here. I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to see Graciella. I'm glad that I'm feeling well enough to actually be here and be alive and breathing. I'm not sure how much I'll film on this trip because we're actually going with her family and we're staying with her brother and his wife in Scotland. So I'm not sure how much I film because it's more of like a family friend kind of trip, and I didn't even know if this trip would come to fruition given the state that it started in. But here we are. Nonetheless, I guess I'll see you guys in Scotland. It's also currently like 9 o'clock. It's gonna be late when I land. It's a great day to be alive and well. I'll see you guys later. Guys, Bookie's here. We're reunited. God bless. And we're in the store. We're getting some brekkie. I'm struggling deciding what I want to get. Have you been, Bookie?
I've been so good. I miss my audience.
Her audience, they only like me whenever I'm with Bookie. All the comments were saying, get Bookie back here, get Bookie back here.
She's back.
She's back and better than ever. I'm having executive order dysfunction. I can't make decisions.
Because I can't believe they said we're not eating until after church.
We're going to, hey guys, we're going to church.
Blessings up.
Blessings up. It's Palm Sunday though, so get hype.
Get hype. Palm Sunday. I found Gracie's breakfast.
Thank you for that. Brekkie haul. Brekkie haul. Brekkie haul and muffins. Oh, they're upside down. Guys, I almost stole. But it wasn't my fault. But I almost got away with it. We're gonna eat our brekkie and then we're gonna go to church and then we're gonna see where the day brings us. 360 view of the suburbs. What was that? Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what that was. Anyways, oh well. Hey guys, good morning. Wait, have I said good morning today?
I said good morning.
Good morning. We went to church.
Benedicciones.
That's our bus, and we're going into town. We're gonna get boba. We're gonna walk around. We're gonna have a beautiful time. Ah! It's just so exciting. We'll see you guys soon. Ciao. Ciao. Do you have your Palm Sunday cross?
Oh no, I took it out. Just
Oh, we could have been matching.
I know. We're gonna get a little sippy.
And then we'll figure out the rest on the way.
Wow, this is good quality. Let me get a.
Yeah, come on. No, get it. Isn't it great? It's a really good quality. I just hit it with a power nap. I'm ready for the day. What's our stop?
The next one.
Beautiful. It's beautiful how stuff just works out like that. Alright, we'll see you on the streets. What are you gonna get, Bookie?
I'm gonna get the salty cream green tea. Tapioca.
Great choice.
That is why.
That's really interesting. Why
Two
are they
ferrets
yellow?
on
Like, is
leash.
that its like normal?
They're Scottish ferrets.
Wow, he's so cute. Wait, oh look at him. Oh, oh, whoa. Guys, we're at the park. We're at the park, and we have our boba, and it's so beautiful. Seagulls are fighting, kids are playing games. I wouldn't want it any other way. Hey, what's up? We're hitting it with the quick espresso bread. I bet you're wondering, what are we about to get up to next? We're going to walk into the town, and we're gonna get, I need to get souvenirs. I'm gonna get some souvenirs. We're gonna do some shopping to remember my time here in Scotland with Bookie. And we're gonna go back to the house. The curb. It's a lovely day.
Oh, do you want me to be lighting? I'll like block this.
Oh. Thank you. Whoa, my eyes are like glass right now. That's crazy. So yeah.
Sorry. Lighting malfunction.
We'll see you guys. We'll give you a little shopping haul. Okay, thank you, lighting. You want your moment?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Like and subscribe. Best lighting.
Guys, wait, hold on. Actually subscribe. I'm almost at 200 subscribers. Shit.
Influencer.
I'm an influencer. I'm almost at 200. Get me there, and crazy things are, I don't know. I'll probably do a Cooking with Carolina episode, and I'll bake like a 200 cake. I'll bake 200 cakes. See you guys when we're out doing other things. Ciao.
I know, Pretty would love this.
Guys, this is my haul. Boom. And that's gonna get converted into a magnet. Guys, we're having a sleepover.
Is it good?
Yo, guys, it's so sleepover time. Air mattress is made. I'm wearing 4 layers right now. Bookie's about to take a shower.
Sleepy time and good night. Let the dreams come to you.
That was really good. So we're gonna see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Yeah. Transition into tomorrow's bright and early morning. Good morning. We're currently at a little cafe, and we are going to have a walking tour today of this city. So I feel like today is going to be a big montage moment. So I hope you enjoy the beautiful things that we're about to see. I also just had a delicious chai latte. I also fell asleep at 10 p.m. last night. I woke up at 6 a.m. so I'm fighting demons, but I'm excited to see pretty things in Scotland today. So I'll see you when we're out and about. Buenos dias. I already said hello in the cafe, but Bookie's here too.
Oh my god, I didn't get to say hi.
I know, now you get to say hi, hello. Guys, it's rainy. But it's rainy and cold. Graciella's pants are wet.
Yeah.
Like at the bottom. Oh, this is our tour group. Hey guys, I took some standstill montage footage of our walking tour. Bookie's here.
Hello.
It's raining. It's raining. Bookie and I just had some mac and cheese. It was really good. How many booms do you give the mac and cheese? How many?
One.
One boom?
Just because I don't want to do this.
Okay. Alright, give it your one boom. Boom. Okay. Now, we're gonna go to the castle. We're gonna go to the castle. They're going on a tour of it tomorrow. But I leave tomorrow. I depart tomorrow. So I won't see it then. So I'm gonna see it right now. What else?
That's low-key it.
I guess that is low-key it. Like.
What about you? You want your picture?
Sure.
Huh? We walked 25
Hey. Sure. We just took pictures, put them in, boom, boom, boom. Oh, they're way over there. They're on the other side.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
okay. Sure.
Your hair keeps on flying.
Guys, this is really pretty up here. The rain kind of adds to the aesthetic, I feel. The castle.
This reminds me of Albania because I had this scarf too.
And I had a rinky-dinky umbrella.
Wait, I took a film class once in high school. Let me see if I can do this. I think it worked.
Okay, I'll put that in.
Heel click.
Boom. We're gonna go get tea or something before we go back home. But this is the castle. This is the love of my life. We'll see you guys another time. Peace, love, and hugs and kisses.
Why do you hate me?
Hi, we're back. Back home. I feel like I talked to you guys probably a total of this video is probably super short, but that's because I'm spending time with friends and family, so I don't want to take away from that. I leave early tomorrow morning at like 6 a.m. and my flight's at 9. It's okay though. I'm gonna miss Bookie so much, but that's okay. I'll see her in 3 weeks when I go to Norway to see our other third Amelia Bedelia. Our third. Bookie, what was your favorite part of this trip?
Oh my god.
Her trip. She's you're just saying that.
Oh, it is.
You just she's just saying that. Yeah, I like the castle.
Oh, okay.
My favorite part was getting to see Bookie. I actually thought that I was gonna cry when I saw her. I was like, this is not real.
Favorite part of Scotland?
I loved Old Town.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Old Town.
I don't
very
even
cool.
remember what we did yesterday, so
We got boba and went to the park.
Oh yeah, that was lovely.
That was lovely. Guys, that's Scotland.
Place, yeah.
This was a trip that almost did not come to fruition because I thought that I would feel too bad. But we made it. We did it. Pulled through. So we are about to watch Cars. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
I hope that you enjoyed our Scotland vlog. I hope you guys enjoy Bookie as much as I do. She'll be a reoccurring face in my life.
I love you.
I love you. Alright, this is Gracie and Bookie signing off for the Scotland vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on my next adventure. Ciao.
Ciao.